Hello everyone, it's time for another delicious recipe from Kel's Kitchen. This recipe comes from a delightful children's story called Teeny Tiny Zucchini Corn. It's written by Ninni Grant and it's a delightful story about a little unicorn who has a very unique horn. At first she's not sure if she likes it, but she soon grows to love it and all the wonderful things she can get up to with her magical horn. So without further ado, I'll have the link to Teeny Tiny Zucchini Corn, the book, in my comments so that you and your children can enjoy the delightful tale. You'll absolutely love it, and so do my grandies. So let's start with our recipe. As you guessed, Teeny Tiny Zucchini Corn has a zucchini for a horn. I've had to cut these lengthwise, so if you've got children helping you, or if boys and girls, if you're listening, you'll need an adult to help you cut your zucchinis in half lengthwise. And then to start, we're going to add some marinara sauce. Well, that's what the recipe says, marinara sauce. I have tomato paste because I only needed a small jar. I'm only using 4 halves. If you're baking a whole lot of zucchinis, you'll want a marinara sauce jar. So a little teaspoon spread out on each zucchini half, just like a pizza base, isn't it? Really yummy. So this is really easy to spread. You don't have to have it as thick as as I am. You can have it more thinly spread to your taste. I'm just doing it to my taste because I really like that tomatoey pizza flavor. Oh, I might just straighten this one. I've used a griddle dish here to try and help the zucchini halves stay more stable. Of course, as you put ingredients on them, they do wobble about, but hopefully if I can keep them straight enough, they will keep their ingredients on them. All right, that's as good as we're going to get for now as far as keeping them stable goes. Okay, so you've got your marinara, or in my case tomato paste, on. Next is going to be, oh my goodness, some garlic. I've got ginger here. Just one second, I need to get the garlic out of my fridge. I'll be right back. Just over here, I've got a jar of crushed garlic for us. There we go. That's better. Some garlic on each of our zucchini quarters. Right, so I'll do about maybe a 3/4 teaspoon on each because garlic is quite strong. I'll spread it around once I've dropped a little bit on each quarter. This is why I wanted them to be nice and level. As you can imagine, we don't want the garlic running off. Okay, I'll put the lid on, spread the garlic around a little bit. There we go. Oh, smells delicious in here, I can tell you. Right, after our garlic and tomato paste or marinara sauce, if that's what you're using, we're going to put on some cheese. I've got some mozzarella here. You can use whichever cheese you prefer. The recipe does say mozzarella, and then the recipe also says Parmesan cheese, but I'm going to use soft milk cheese with my mozzarella. It's going to be delicious and stringy and gooey and so tasty, just like a pizza. So I'm going to have zucchini boats with my dinner. I wonder what you're going to have. If you do make the zucchini boats, or when you make the zucchini boats, I would love for you to share your recipe in the comments, a picture of your recipe in the comments. There we go. That's going to be so deliciously cheesy. And then I don't think I'll use all of the soft milk cheese. I did grate probably too much, but I can always keep that for a sandwich another day. Whoa, these are going to be delicious, aren't they? Okie dokie. Be sure to keep your hands clean, boys and girls, if you're helping mommy and daddy with your hands, sprinkling the cheese on. I did wash mine before we started. So that's always a good idea to wash away those germs. Okie dokes, there we are. And now the recipe also says to add, I can't remember what the meat was, but I'm adding pastrami slices. I will have the recipe in the comments for you. Oh gosh, I just can't remember what the meat was supposed to be, but really you can make these zucchini boats to your taste. I've cut mine in small pieces. Oh, wow, that one landed right in place, didn't it? In small pieces, so I might even double up if I have enough to go back and add more, and I'm pretty sure I will. And then my oven has been heating up at 180 degrees Celsius, and I just have to bake these zucchini boats for 15 minutes, and then they'll be ready to have with my dinner. I'm still trying to think what meat the recipe says. Sorry, Cindy, if you're watching. The meat that you suggested for your zucchini boat was... Oh, it's escaped me. Sorry about that, but yeah, I'll have the recipe in the comments and then you'll be able to know. So there we have zucchini boats, just like the recipe from Teeny Tiny Zucchini Corn, written by Cindy Ninni Grant. If you want to see the end result with all the melted cheese, be sure to look at the little picture on the YouTube icon before you start the video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.